Financial education. 4 rules. Financial education and a secure life enable people to manage their money wisely. This means understanding how to use financial resources effectively through informed decision-making. Many people believe that accumulating wealth is impossible, but in reality, with the skills and knowledge to acquire wealth, money is abundant. There are certain rules in the financial field, and people can become financially rich by following them. In this brief newsletter, we present 4 fundamental rules for acquiring freedom and financial security. If you enjoyed our video and want to help us continue creating interesting content, we kindly ask you to consider subscribing to our channel and making a donation to support us. Your support is precious to us and will allow us to continue growing and improving our channel. You can do it here below, through the appropriate buttons, subscribe, and thanks. Knowledge leads to understanding. Many lottery winners who declare bankruptcy within a few years demonstrate a lack of financial literacy despite high earnings. Similarly, heirs squander unearned wealth due to a lack of financial management skills. Traditional education provides poor basic financial education. It is therefore essential that individuals enrich themselves through self-education. To achieve this goal, it is necessary to abandon the deficit mindset that tells people how difficult it is to go beyond their comfort zone. Overcoming one's comfort zone is another fundamental financial lesson. People paralyzed by uncertainty and fear of embarrassment tend to stagnate financially, while brave risk-takers prosper financially thanks to their ventures and investments. Developing a solid mindset of trust and abundance fosters confidence in exploring uncharted territories and strengthens the ability to face new challenges. Economic freedom is directly linked to the level of self-esteem that determines behavior. Therefore, planning the elements necessary for notable prosperity is an important first step. Imagining oneself already rich is an important step in manifesting it. This vision must be accompanied by courage, resilience, and perseverance to attract material success. Well-informed investment decisions are fundamental. Investing blindly without understanding and without guidance carries the risk of potential disaster. Do not invest in anything you do not fully understand. The best investment you can make is to follow continuous training to increase your financial literacy. Investing blindly, without an in-depth vision, carries the risk of quickly losing money. Creating more recurring and additional income streams that work automatically without constant effort reduces active work and frees up time for other purposes. Diversifying cash flows increases financial stability in the unlikely event that one of them is compromised. Moreover, it allows exploiting the power of compound interest to build wealth. In summary, financial intelligence, courage, and the development of multiple sources of income are the 4 fundamental rules for achieving financial freedom. Reducing fear of uncertainty and better understanding the dynamics of money will lead to success, and always make informed financial decisions, as effective asset management through compound interest is the safest way to build long-term wealth. The development of financial literacy lays the foundations for making informed decisions about money management and having confidence in one's abilities. Abundance surrounds those who have the necessary skills to reach it. In finance, it is necessary to understand the fundamental guiding principles of accumulation and financial leverage. Investing to expand one's knowledge will help understand the changing financial dynamics and the means to create wealth. Regular access to information related to one's area of expertise is essential to continue to succeed in business and investments. Knowledge enables beginners to identify new opportunities that they might otherwise miss. Access to financing is essential for growth. Investments in strategic improvements such as marketing, product research, and development will stimulate the company's growth. The lack of capital often prevents promising businesses from scaling sufficiently to maximize profitability. Therefore, regular investment of critical capital for the company can help businesses reach their full potential. Conscious real estate investments. The simple concept of buy low and sell high underlying real estate investments belies the fact that making a profit is much more complex. However, if managed correctly, it is possible to obtain profitable returns through a consolidated path of buying, renovating, and selling quickly. Non-optimal properties often hide the promising potential of expert analysis. By participating in the stock market, owning shares of a listed company gives partial ownership and the possibility of receiving dividends. Despite the inherent risks, stocks are an important component of a diversified investment portfolio if managed correctly. Beware of debt. Debt is a double-edged sword, and if used irresponsibly, it can amplify both gains and losses. Its prudent use has accelerated many legendary fortunes. On the other hand, its lack of return has destroyed many. Therefore, with adequate collateral and risk tolerance, financial leverage can help access opportunities not available to those who are undercapitalized. However, there is no substitute for living within one's means. Developing a wealth mindset beyond the limits of scarcity encourages ambition for material well-being and allows timid frugality to limit the accumulation of wealth. The development of valuable skills allows earning beyond the limits of physical work. Acquiring high-income skills commensurate with one's abilities can lay the foundations for entrepreneurial and self-employment activities in high-demand sectors. Consequently, wealth creation is possible by constantly improving financial acumen, adjusting risks, and developing multiple sources of income. The wealth available to expert and strategic investors is the opposite of the scarcity available to those who are not financially savvy. This overview should provide useful guidance. We will be back with other interesting news. The information contained in this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Always consult an expert before making any financial decision. Anyway, don't forget to share your opinion with us and leave a comment. If you also leave a like, it would be great. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video.